Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the components. First, power off your HP Pavilion 5-BCC450NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Locate the battery release latch. You will need to slide this latch to the unlocked position. Once unlocked, gently pull the battery out of its compartment. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that the latch is fully disengaged. Now, take a moment to inspect the battery compartment for any dust or debris. It's a good practice to clean this area using a soft brush or compressed air. This ensures that your new battery will fit snugly and function optimally. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely in place. After this, slide the battery release latch back to the locked position to secure the battery. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before you commit to any repairs. Once the battery is installed, it's time to power on your laptop. Press the power button and check if the device starts up correctly. If it does, you've successfully replaced the battery. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. Finally, if you want to ensure your laptop remains in top condition, consider cleaning the internal components periodically. Dust can accumulate and affect performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the vents and fans, ensuring proper airflow. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP Pavilion 15BC450NS is a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools. Always remember to handle components with care and take necessary precautions to avoid static damage. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your laptop back in working order without any inconvenience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.